What?
You're bidding on a, this is a Lars tool cutter, drill grinder. It's a Lars, but it says L.A. Kinsley Company. This came out of a closed manufacturer. The
It says cutter grinder, by the way.
cutter grinder, that's what I said.
1375-4, maybe? 13,
I got it.
oh, 375-4.
At any rate, it was fully functional. Everything works. Here's the diamond dresser for the wheel, but everything functions as it is. I don't know how to do this thing, but we know that the table goes in and out. And the plant said it was working. This is what it is. Any questions? Give us a holler. Pretty nice unit. Did you take a picture of the collets, the extra collets? I got a picture of the tooling.
There's another collet there.
Yeah. Good luck bidding.
Also of note, it's 223 phase or 243 phase. We're running it on 243 phase.
What's this?
Excuse.
Oh.